on, you guys? What is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first of the moving vlogs. I am so excited. We move in tomorrow to our apartment and we are so excited, and today is going to be the first of the moving vlogs. I have already gotten quite a bit done. I did pack up a lot yesterday or the day before, but didn't end up vlogging any of it. So I will show you what I have done thus far. I just made myself a second cup of coffee. I already had one this morning and I just felt like we need 2 cups of coffee to power through this packing day. This is what we have going on so far. A lot of stuff. I have a ton of stuff packed up. Hobby Lobby stuff, just so much. We have our luggage. This is a bag of blankets. Don't even know what's in there. Just boxes on boxes on boxes. My new Nespresso machine is down there, which I'm so excited to use. So I already have a good amount of stuff moved up here. I still have some stuff that was down in our basement that I need to bring up and bring up here just so it's easier for me to bring back and forth tomorrow. I will be vlogging tomorrow. I am doing most of the moving tomorrow because Eddie has to work. So I'm planning on moving all of our boxes and stuff, but I will show you all of that tomorrow. But to make it easier on myself, I want to bring up all the boxes from the basement, and we have a lot to get done. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below so that you get notified when I upload new videos, new vlogs, and all of the moving videos that are about to be coming your way. I am seriously so excited for this next chapter and to be out on our own, and it's just crazy. This year is just going to be literally insane. I was thinking about bringing up all the boxes now, but actually I might wait until Eddie gets home to do that, just because it'll be easier to have him help me bring up all those boxes. So for right now, oh my gosh, I also forgot, this box just came in the mail. This is a chair that I bought for our second bedroom because we have 2 bedrooms. So it's going to be our office, my office, and then Eddie's like gaming room. So I bought this really cute chair. Should we open it right now just to see if it's cute? I think we should. I really wasn't planning on opening this right now because I don't want to make it hard for us to move and stuff, but I really also am very curious as to what it looks like. So let's find out. Oh my gosh! I am so excited! I don't actually want to take it out of the box because Eddie and my mom are moving all of like the heavy pieces, all of our furniture and stuff, while I work on Friday, so I don't want to like, you know, ruin it and make it harder for them to move, and I want this to stay nice until we get there. But this is what the chair looks like. I think it is so cute. I'm gonna link it down below because I'm so excited for it. To-do list time. I made a little list of things that I need to do before we move out, so things that I need to get done today because today is kind of the last day before we move. As you can see, I already got a couple things done, so I wanted to pack up my desk space, which I already did. I will show you that. And then what I need to get done today is go through my closet. That is like major thing that we need to do today. My closet is like bursting at the seams. I have so much stuff and I don't even wear half of it. I don't know why I have it. I'm going to take some time and really go through my clothes, get rid of stuff that I don't need, keep the stuff that I like. That way when we move, I have like a fresh, you know, fresh wardrobe, and I can hang everything up and organize it the way that I want it to be and not have it be like crazy. So I need to go through my closet and clean it out, and then I also need to pack all of my clothes. I need to go and clean out the bathroom, like clean out the inside, get my stuff out of the bathroom that I will need. Honestly, that might be like a Thursday thing. I might do that tomorrow, clean out the inside of my drawers and stuff, because we're not actually staying at the place until I think Friday night. So I'll probably still be using all of the bathroom stuff. And then I need to clean, well, Eddie already cleaned the room actually, so we cleaned that. It'll just need cleaned again before we leave. And then I need to clean the bathroom. I don't know if I've actually said this in a video, but I did get a lot of questions on if Jasper's coming with us or not, or if he's staying here. And he's 100% my dog. Like, he was a family dog, but he always, I don't know, he just like, him and I just, you know, bonded. Like, he just ended up being my dog. So Jasper is 100% coming with us, and we're so excited. I'm a little nervous because he's old, so hopefully he adapts to change well and he likes his new home, but we'll see how that goes. But we need to give him a bath. Like, he really needs a bath. He needs a haircut. We need to get him all pretty and groomed up for his new home. So that's another thing that we need to get done today. So honestly, not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Here's what I already got done. So I emptied out both of my shelves and packed that stuff up. And then I literally just threw out my desk. Like, it was not worth keeping. It was so broken, and I put it in the trash. Trash came yesterday. That desk we said bye-bye to. I do still have this chair. I'm not planning on taking this with me. I'm just leaving it here in case my mom wants it. So I'm just gonna keep it back there for now. Yeah, you guys are pretty much caught up to speed now. And I think what I'm going to do I think I'm gonna start in my closet because that's like the big task that I need to get done today. I already cleared out some of my shoes and stuff, but I really just need to, go through all of this. Like every single thing I need to go through, and I just need to sell or donate or get rid of some stuff because I just don't even wear half this stuff. So I don't even know why I still have it. Like I have so much stuff back here. It's a little bit excessive. Okay, update time. I have got my closet all the way cleaned out except for these dresses. I'm gonna put a trash bag over these and tie it up at the top. That way I can just throw it in the closet when we get there. But besides that, the only thing that's in here is my mom's wedding dress. I don't even know what that poster is. I think maybe from my graduation, maybe, and just like a bottle of stuff that I need to throw out. But that's all that is left in my closet, and my baby books up there. But that's fine, that's staying, obviously. But closet is officially cleaned out. I have one pair of shoes that I'm keeping. I have a couple outfits, like a pair of leggings, a pair of jeans, and then like a sweatshirt and a top for the next couple of days. I also have laundry over here that needs done, so I'll have to somehow figure out how to pack that. I have all these hangers that I need to put in a trash bag or something, I'm not really sure. I have this bag filled with some clothes, this box is filled with clothes, box of shoes, and then I ran out of boxes. I don't have any more boxes. So that chair that we got earlier, yeah, we filled that box with clothes. It's literally like stuffed to the brim. This is really bad. I should not have this. I just should not have this many clothes. But I literally can't even lift it, so I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it, and when Eddie and my mom get home, they can figure out what we're gonna do with that, because I'm not really sure yet. But now that my closet is cleaned out, I think I might start loading stuff in my car, because I think I'm gonna have to take a couple trips tomorrow, and I kind of want to see like how much I can fit in my car now, and then figure out how many trips I'm probably gonna have to take. So I've been parking outside because we have furniture in the garage. So I think I'm gonna pull my car in the garage and start filling it with some stuff, just so I can see like how all that works, how all of it looks, and just like be better prepared for tomorrow morning. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Wow, okay. About, I don't know, a half hour later, and I have my car stuffed to the brim. I am in a rental. This isn't actually my car. If you guys watched my last vlog, you would know my car is in the shop, so I'm in a rental. This car is beautiful. Like, it is a badass car, but it is so not me. I'm ready for my car to come home, but for right now, she's super cute. She's stuffed to the brim. We have so much stuff in here. There's like literally hardly any room to see out of. Actually, I should probably make sure I can see out of the back of the car, but I literally have everything stuffed. There's stuff in here, stuff up here, like there's just so much stuff. It really sucks moving in the winter in Ohio because like you can see all of the salt because it's snowing out, so it is like disgusting. I have white pants on, which I shouldn't, and they have like so many dirt marks on them. So tomorrow when I move stuff, I'll need to make sure that I have on like black pants and like a black top so that it doesn't get super, super dirty, or I guess it like doesn't show the dirt. But yeah, I have my car all filled up, so she's ready for tomorrow, which feels so good to just have that done, one less thing that I have to worry about tomorrow morning. And honestly, I got a lot in there. Like, I'm really surprised at how much I fit in my car. Let me show you what it looks like now. You guys saw how much was down here. Like, there were boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff down here, and now it's like mostly empty. I have to move just like a couple of random boxes, and of course I have like all my clothes upstairs, which is like another story, but I think I'll be able to do it all in like 2 trips, which is really nice because I can go get everything situated. I'm gonna clean, get it all situated, come back, pick up another load, go over there, and I can do all of that myself. So it kind of worked out. And I did unbox my chair, so I'll show you guys what it looks like unboxed. How pretty is she? This chair is seriously just so comfortable, you guys. It is so comfy, and I think it's going to look so cute in our office with like a cute little pink throw blanket. Bless you. A cute little pink throw blanket. I want to get like a cute little pink pillow. I think it'll look really cute. I also got a really pretty rug for our office. It's pink also. Hopefully that comes in soon. I don't know when it's gonna come because USPS is like all backed up right now, and that's where it's coming from. What do you think? Are you so excited to get a new home? Huh? He's so confused. I like kept coming in and out to get my boxes, and he was just so confused. I just think this will be so cozy to sit in. I'm so excited to like have my own office space, and of course Eddie will have some of his stuff in there, but it's kind of like I do a lot of work from home, and like my desk and my like office type area is like my happy space. Like, I love that area, so having this I think will be so nice. I can just imagine getting my morning cup of coffee, sitting in my cute little cozy chair, maybe like reading a nice book. I'm really excited about it. It's a little while later, and I just threw a pizza in the oven. Actually, it's probably about ready to come out. I put pizza in the oven that we're going to have. So I'm gonna take a break and eat my pizza here in a minute, but I just got these wedding invite samples in, and I'm so excited. These are from Minted, and they're so nice. I'm like so impressed. I ordered these. They were free. I think you can order like 7 free ones or 10. I forget what it is, but you can go on there and order samples. So that's what I did because I was planning on the pizza's ready. I was planning on getting my invites from Minted. Oh my goodness. Okay, stop. So I got a bunch of samples in, and they send like all this really nice stuff with it. I was just so impressed with how it all is. It's just so nice and fancy. So I will show you guys this in a wedding update video that's going to be coming soon. I'm planning on filming a whole wedding update video about my florals that we're using and all of that stuff for you guys, so that I can get that up before the wedding, because I know a lot of you are interested in how we did our florals and stuff, and there's a lot more updates that I have. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It's a cauliflower veggie pizza, but that video will be coming soon with lots of fun, exciting wedding updates. But for now, I'm gonna take a break, eat some pizza, and then we'll get back to work. Okay, it's time for a bath.
His worst nightmare.
It's time for a bath.
Uh oh, he's getting away.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
It's not that bad.
I know. Give the baby a bath so he gets all pretty for the apartment. Huh? To get you all pretty.
I'm sorry, buddy.
It's not that bad.
You're so sad.
I know.
Oh. Does not like a camera.
He's so cute after his bath, though. Oh. I know. He's so cute.